Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to this video. In this video, I will show you about the how to make the state space simulation in Simulink MATLAB. Okay. Please for the first, please you open your MATLAB and then open your Simulink and then uh, create the new file, the new project in the Simulink. And then after that, you can open your Simulink and we need to add some blocks such as the gain here. So in this tutorial, I will use the DC motor system model in the state space form. So this is the A matrix, B matrix, and the C matrix. You can see in this paper for your reference to get the DC motor model. From this paper, we can get the DC motor model in the state space form and also the variable here. So the variable, where is the variable? Okay, this is the variable here in the result and discussion, and this is the state space model. Okay, we need to add the gain block, and then we need to change the option in the gain block here to be matrix k multiplied by u here, because we need the gain for the matrix. Sorry, in this is okay. We will give the name for the A matrix, and then we need to copy. This is for the B matrix, and the last we need the C matrix here. After that, we need to add the integrator here, and then we need to add the scope, and also we need to add the sum variable, sorry, the sum block here, and then we need to add the constant. Where is the constant for the set point or the reference? So we need to copy the sum block here, sorry, for the input. So this is the B matrix, and we need to flip the A matrix. Okay, and we need to add, to sum the A matrix and B matrix. This is the C, and then okay, for the first we will make the open loop simulation. So we need to input the matrix. So this is the 0 and 2 here for the B matrix, and then we need to add the A matrix. The A matrix is -10 and then 1 and then minus 0.02 and -2. Okay, this is for the A matrix, B matrix, and also the C matrix 1 and 0. From this model, from this test space, the first state is the angular speed, and then the second state is the current. and then the U is the voltage input, the input voltage. Okay, so this is the symmetrics 1 and 0. We need to play in the simulation by give the 12 input voltage. So this is the input voltage, and this is, we can see the angular speed. Okay, we will make the simulation here by click the run button in the Simulink, and please wait for the simulation to finish. Sorry, there are some. Okay, I think I have a mistake here. Okay, the input is 2, so we need to make this input. Okay, I'm sorry, it is by, okay, so we doesn't need to do this. Okay, the simulation is finished. So by using the 12 input voltage, we can see this is the system response. We know that when we give input voltage to DC motor system, it will increase the angular speed, the rotation here, from 0 to be stabilized in the 1.2 RPM here. Okay, this is the open loop simulation. Okay, this is sum here. So this is the method to make the simulation for the state space simulation of the DC motor system by using the open loop simulation with the input is the input voltage. If you want to know the current, you can delete this block, the C block, and then you need to add the MUX here. Okay, and then we copy the scope, and then we can change to be current. So the first state is the angular speed, and the second state is the current. By using the input voltage 12 input voltage, we can see this is the current, and this is the angular speed. Okay, this is the P matrix. So we need to period and comma to get the vertical matrix, and this is the A matrix here. This is the constant for the input voltage for the open loop simulation. This is the integral with the initial condition value is 0. This is the MUX to get the two variable from the one wire here. The first variable is the angular speed, and the second is the current. Okay, I think it is enough for the state space simulation in the Simulink MATLAB. You can add the controller such as the PID and also the integral state feedback you can see in my another video. Thank you. I hope it can useful. Uh, I'm sorry if I have a mistake for delivering this material. Uh, Thank you. Bye bye. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.